Hello, today I'm going to go over the ATP, ADP, and AMP drawing. And we're going to draw each of those three molecules, ADP, MP, and TP, in these three spots. Now, I've got the pieces here that make up one of these molecules. All right, and also it says to make the first drawing the molecule with the highest energy levels. Well, the one with the most phosphate groups is going to have the highest energy. So that's your ATP because it's got three phosphate groups. AMP, M stands for mono. It only has one phosphate group. And DP stands, the D stands for, di, which is 2. So the highest energy level one is this ATP. Now the components here, the first part, which is an adenine, second part, which is a ribose, these aren't going to change. The only thing that's going to change in our drawings is how many phosphates we have. So we'll start with ATP, which is 3 phosphates. And try and use colored pencils for this. And I'm just going to draw this same adenine. All right, next is my ribose, which I'm going to continue here. And then finally, we're going to have our phosphate groups. In this case, ATP has 3. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, these are the molecules, especially ATP, that our body makes to store the energy from our food. So our bodies use this molecule of ATP to do any kind of movement or activity. The energy from the food goes into these bonds here. These are your high energy bonds. So go ahead and label these high energy bonds. And it's really just these first two. The first one has the most energy here. Second one has some energy. And then the third one doesn't have much at all. So it's really this one that we're most interested in. Now let's label each of these groups. The first group is your adenine. And again, this will be the same in each one of these 3 pictures. Same with our ribose. Our ribose will be the same for each of these pictures. And then finally, our phosphates, that is what's going to change. So we know that there was 3 for ATP, there's going to be 2 for ADP, and 1 for AMP. So you'll just have less of these circles. Label each of the groups, and if there are any high energy bonds, it would be in one of these 2 places, go ahead and label that on the pictures as well. All right, hope this helps. Thanks.